Hello, welcome to BSK Media. Learning English through stories. Who stole the baby? Last year, a terrible event occurred, which I can never forget. Near my village there is a river, which has particularly clear water. One morning I went there as usual and washed my baby. Then I put her on the ground and started to wash myself. When I was in the river, another woman walked past and took my baby. I could see what was happening and shouted, "Why are you stealing my baby? Give her back to me." But the thief answered, "What are you talking about? She's not yours. She's mine." And so, our quarrel started. The people in our village predicted that only the king could end our quarrel. So, they took us to the king's palace, which is in the city. The king invited us in and listened to us. Then the king took my baby, put her on the table in the hall and said, "Now try to get her. Let's see who will be the first." The thief was very happy to pull my baby, but I couldn't hurt her. So, the thief pulled and got my baby. Then the king said, "It is clear who is the mother." Then he gave my baby to me and asked the thief, "Why did you steal her baby?" "I am very poor and wanted to sell her," she replied. Then the king told the thief to stay in the palace and work. "We will watch you so that you can't do anything harmful to anyone again," he said. Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe to get more videos from my channel.